Good day and welcome to the news. Burutai promised Igboho billions of naira in Benin prison to renounce Yoruba nation agitation. He rejected the bribe, Akintoye. Now, the news in details. Yoruba historian and arrowhead of the struggle for the independence of the Oodua nation, Banji Akintoye, has accused former Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Toku Burutai, of trying to cajole agitator Sunday Adeyemo Igboho to withdraw from the agitations. In an interview with Punch, the octogenarian said during the agitators' travel in the West African country of Benin Republic, Burutai had, through his influence as the envoy, sneaked a paper to Igboho in prison, promising him billions of naira if only he would renounce his agitations for the Yoruba nation. He, however, said Igboho refused to sign the paper, which was later taken away by Burutai. When asked about the status of the court case against Igboho in the Benin Republic, Akintoye said the man had been completely released. He said he has been released completely. He has won the hearts of the people, here for his strength and character. They brought money to this young man. How many of our young men will do that? Former Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Toku Burutai, came to him in the prison, promising him billions of naira if he would just sign a paper that Burutai brought. That he, Igboho, should say he had renounced the Yoruba nation struggle, that he didn't want the Yoruba nation struggle anymore, that he had opted out of it. Nobody will give me such a paper except Burutai himself, but Sunday saw the paper, Burutai took it away. So here we have a Yoruba historian by the name Banji Akintoye talking about how Sunday Igboho was bribed in prison in Benin Republic by this former Chief of Army Staff, Burutai, but he rejected the bribe, and he spoke about how they actually promised Sunday Igboho billions of naira, and he said if it was any other young person, they would have collected the bribe. And he spoke about how they brought this and how Burutai did this through his influence and getting into the prison to actually give this paper to Sunday Igboho. And he said Sunday Igboho rejected it, and he said, and he was just asked to sign the paper, and he said he should actually renounce the Yoruba nation struggle, that he should come out and say, oh, I don't want to do this Yoruba nation struggle anymore. But then he opted out of it, and he said nobody would give him such a paper except Burutai himself. But Sunday saw the paper and rejected it, then Burutai took it away. So this is coming at a time where everyone is actually very Sunday Igboho is very low key. A lot of people just know he's in Benin Republic. They don't really know what is up to or what is doing or where he is exactly, which is a good thing, as we have seen over the months and every day we've seen that the Nigerian government, they're actually like taking it upon themselves to actually catch and do anything to imprison Sunday Igboho. And they, to the extent that they even took him to a prison in Benin Republic, and I would like that was a blessing in disguise, because when he was taken to Benin Republic, he later got a fair trial and was released. And like Chief Akintoye said Sunday Igboho has been released completely, that he has won the hearts of a lot of people in Benin Republic for his strength and character. And said they even brought money to this young man, and that how many young men will actually refuse to collect this bribe. And this just goes to show that the federal government or the government of Nigeria is actually scared of something. Like, why are they so against the disintegration of Nigeria? I mean, since you want to turn Nigeria to a Muslim country and a Hausa state and all that, then why don't you allow those that aren't part of your plans leave? So it just goes to show that a lot of people are actually against this plan of Sunday Igboho fighting for the Yoruba nation, and we can see how they've tried their possible best to actually get him to opt out of the race, because like as we all know, although the Yoruba nation fight has been going on for a very long time now, Sunday Igboho has been like in the forefront of it in recent times, and he has been the one that a lot of people that are actually looking for the Yoruba nation movement actually look up to, just like we have this Nnamdi Kanu for the IPOB, which is the Biafra nation. So we have Sunday Igboho for that of the Yoruba nation. And we can see this man has been through a lot. I mean, he was attacked in his home in Ibadan. He lost properties, he lost his house. He was later imprisoned, then taken to Benin Republic and imprisoned in a foreign land. And then he has been released. But then we still know that it can't be like so open. He's still probably trying to like be low key and just keep the spotlight out of himself. But he's still standing by his Yoruba nation fight and saying that yes, we want this Yoruba nation. They want this Yoruba nation, and that he's going to keep on fighting for it. And I mean, if he rejected billions of naira, then you just know that he's very passionate about this Yoruba nation fight. I mean, if the money to him seemed small, he could have easily negotiated for a higher price, and they would have actually given it to him if it meant him stepping down from the Yoruba nation fight. But yeah, we have him actually standing by his words, standing by what he really believes in, and fighting for the Yoruba nation, to the extent that even when they brought bribe to him, he rejected it. I mean, billions of naira in this current economy, and with Sunday Igboho having a family to feed and all that. I mean, that just goes to show that yes, he's really, really passionate about the Yoruba nation and the fight for the Yoruba nation and what it stands for. So yeah, that's it from us today, guys. Don't forget to comment down below. Tell us what you think about this news, your views, your thoughts, your opinions. Like this news, share with your family and loved ones, and also subscribe to our channel so you get an update every time a news is posted. That's it from us today, guys. Thank you and God bless.